Lexus recalls high-performance RCF and GSF models over fuel pump defect. Lexus has issued a safety recall for its high-performance V8-powered models, the RCF Coupe and the GSF sedan, due to a manufacturing defect that could lead to sudden engine failure. The core issue: potential engine stalling. The recall centers on a faulty low-pressure fuel pump. According to the official notice, the pump may cease to operate correctly, which can result in several critical issues. The engine may fail to start. The vehicle may stall while in motion. Dashboard warning lights, including the check engine and master warning indicators, may illuminate. The primary safety concern is the risk of a sudden stall while driving at high speeds. Such an event can cause a sudden loss of power and control, significantly increasing the risk of a collision. Affected vehicles and scope. The recall impacts a specific subset of Lexus's performance lineup, produced over a 7-year period. The affected units include 367 Lexus RCF Coupes, 144 Lexus GSF sedans. All affected vehicles were manufactured between June 3, 2014 and July 27, 2021. Why this matters? Because these models are high-performance vehicles, often driven at higher speeds, the mechanical reliability of the fuel system is paramount to ensuring driver safety during spirited driving. Next steps for owners. Lexus Australia has advised that while the affected vehicles are currently safe to drive, owners should remain vigilant. If any warning symptoms appear, drivers should stop operating the vehicle immediately and contact a dealer. The repair process. Action required. Owners must schedule an appointment with an authorized Lexus dealer. The fix: the low-pressure fuel pump will be replaced free of charge. Timeframe: the repair is estimated to take approximately 2 hours, though availability may vary based on local dealer schedules. Owners can verify if their specific vehicle is included in the recall by checking their vehicle identification number (VIN) via the Lexus Australia website or the Australian Government Recall Database. Summary: Lexus is replacing faulty fuel pumps in RCF and GSF models to prevent engine stalling and potential accidents. Owners of affected vehicles should contact an authorized dealer for a free repair.